Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn the process of stopping the calculation of Kerala Flood Cess or KFC in transactions recorded in TallyPrime. In 2019, as per the notification by the Kerala government, a KFC of 1% was mandated on the goods and services with more than 5% GST rate. Furthermore, 0.25% of KFC was mandated on gold. Recently, the Kerala government has announced that KFC will not be applicable on goods and services effective from the 1st of August 2021. Consequently, you will need to stop the calculation of KFC in invoices from the 1st of August 2021. In TallyPrime, you can do this easily and quickly. Moreover, you can do it in your existing TallyPrime or Tally.ERP9 release. We recommend you to do this activity today itself so that KFC does not get calculated on the vouchers recorded from the 1st of August 2021 onwards. Moreover, take a backup of your company data before doing this activity so that in case of erroneous entries, you can restore it. You may have set KFC for stock items or stock groups. It may also be possible that you had set KFC at the company level using F11 or in the ledger as per your business practice. You can stop the applicability of KFC in the master wherein you have configured GST rates in TallyPrime. All you have to do is change the KFC rate to 0% in the master based on the level at which you have configured the tax. Let us first learn how to stop KFC calculation for stock items and stock groups using the GST rate setup. You may have configured KFC at the stock item or stock group level, and therefore you need to apply KFC as 0% for your stock items or stock groups. You can do this from the GST rate setup report. However, before configuring in the GST rate setup, you need to change current date on Gateway of Tally. While on Gateway of Tally, press F2 and change the date to the 1st of August 2021. Now, press Alt-G, type or select GST rate setup and press Enter. Click Tax Rate Wise or press F5. You can now view the report with sections based on the tax rates. Now, using spacebar, select the stock items or groups with the same HSN code and press Alt-S. The GST details for stock items screen appears. Change the applicable date to the 1st of August 2021. Now, enter all the details. You can copy the HSN codes from the report as you can see in the background and enter the appropriate description. Under Taxability, select Taxable and enter the rates corresponding to the HSN code, as you can see in the report. Specify the GST rate under Integrated Tax. Now, under Kerala Flood Cess, enter 0 and press Enter. Subsequently, from the 1st of August 2021, KFC will not be calculated in the vouchers involving the stock items for which we just set KFC as 0%. If you select only one stock item or stock group, then you just need to enter Kerala Flood Cess as 0% and press Enter. The revised applicability subscreen appears, and the applicable from date will be the 1st of August 2021, which is the current date set on Gateway of Tally. Now press Ctrl A to save. Similarly, you can set KFC as 0% for other stock items or stock groups on which more than 5% GST rate is applicable. Now, let us see how to stop KFC calculation if you had configured the tax at the company level. In your business, you may be selling stock items with the same HSN code. Therefore, you may have configured the HSN code and KFC at the company level. Let us see how to stop KFC calculation by configuring it at the company level. Press F11, bring the cursor to Enable Goods and Services Tax, GST, and press Enter. The GST details screen appears. Now enable set Alter GST rate details and press Enter. The GST details for company screen appears. Under Kerala Flood Cess, enter 0 and press Enter. The revised applicability subscreen appears, and the applicable from date will be the 1st of August 2021, which is the current date set on Gateway of Tally. Press Ctrl A to save. Subsequently, KFC will not be calculated on invoices recorded on the 1st of August 2021 and onwards. Now, let us see how to configure 0% KFC at the ledger level. You may be in the service industry and do not have stock items, or you may be following a system of creating tax rate-wise sales and purchase ledgers. In such cases, you may have configured KFC at the ledger level. Therefore, you will need to alter the rate from the ledger alteration screen. Consider that you had configured KFC in the sales ledger. Press Alt-G, go to Alter Master and press Enter. Now, select Ledger and press Enter. Type or select the name of sales ledger and press Enter. The ledger alteration screen appears. Now enable Set Alter GST Details to Yes and press Enter. The GST details for ledger screen appears. Bring the cursor to Kerala Flood Cess and enter 0. Now, press Enter and you can see that the revised applicability subscreen appears. And the applicable from date will be the 1st of August 2021, which is the current date set on Gateway of Tally. Press Ctrl A to save. As a result, KFC will not be calculated when you use this ledger during voucher creation. Similarly, you can configure all other ledgers in which you have set KFC. Now, let us see the impact of configuring TallyPrime to stop KFC calculation from the 1st of August 2021. For example, let us record a sales invoice for the 31st of July 2021. Press Alt-G, press Enter on Create Voucher and click Sales. Select the party and press Enter. The dispatch details screen appears. Enter the required details and press Ctrl A to save. The party details screen appears. Enter the required details and press Ctrl A to save. Select the sales ledger in which we just configured KFC as 0%. Select the stock items and press Enter. Select the applicable tax ledgers. Press F2 and set the date as the 31st of July 2021. Now, select the KFC ledger. As you can see, TallyPrime calculates the tax as it is applicable till the 31st of July 2021. Now, let us record a similar transaction with the date as the 1st of August 2021. Press F2 and set the date as the 1st of August 2021. Enter all the required information and then select tax ledgers. Now, select the KFC ledger and you can observe that TallyPrime does not calculate KFC as it is configured as 0% with the applicability date as the 1st of August 2021. As demonstrated, stopping the calculation of KFC in the vouchers recorded in TallyPrime is very simple. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to do this activity for stock items or stock groups from the GST rate setup report, at the company level or in the ledger as per the master in which you have configured KFC. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.